crowd. One touch, no words allowed. I wasn't on the list, but I walked in slow. Velvet shadows, room aglow. She stood like a secret wrapped in white, eyes like fire under candlelight. No words, just the rhythm between. Her hand found mine like a midnight dream. We moved like the world didn't dare to breathe. She said, don't stop, just dance with me. No names, no why, just you and I. Hearts beat wild under wedding lights. One dance, one night, hold me tight. Don't let go, just feel it right. One dance, one night, hearts collide. No tomorrow, just tonight. Just tonight. One dance, one night, hold me tight. No forever, just this high. Her ring was gone, her smile was glass, the kind that hides a haunted past. They cheered the bride, they raised the toast, but her eyes told me what she wanted most. We slipped outside, no one knew. Stars above us, sky so blue. She said, I'm someone I don't even know. I said, then dance and let it go. No vows, no fight, just one good lie. Two lost souls, one borrowed night. One dance, one night, hold me tight. Don't let go, just feel it right. One dance, one night, hearts collide. No tomorrow, just tonight. Repeat. One dance, one night, hold me tight. No forever, just this high. We burned too quick, we fell too fast. She kissed like pain, but it wouldn't last. No questions asked, no reasons why. Just a moment that slipped the sky. Now every slow song feels like a ghost. Every wedding I see her the most. Still chasing that midnight trance, still dreaming of